Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share with you my prediction for 2023 to 2024. Right? We have been having lots of things happening in the world, and things are changing drastically. Technology has moved 15 years in advance during COVID, and things are changing drastically. We have wars and all that sort of thing happening. So the world order is changing slowly in front of your eyes without realizing. Okay, the world order is changing. If you don't know that, it's happening. Okay, so my prediction for 2023 is you will see lots of things that are made in China moving to countries like India, right? So you will start to realize that companies are moving from China, moving to countries like India, Vietnam, Philippines, etc., because China is becoming a bit more expensive, and obviously they're not having a good relationship with the West. The West kind of see them now as a competitors, or someone who a country that is against their own interests. So you can see people start moving away from China to places like India. We already know India is the IT hub of the world, so they're very good at information technology, and now the manufacturing side of the country is growing rapidly. I witnessed that when I went to India in 2020. It was absolutely crazy. That country is literally operate 24 hours. Nobody goes to sleep. They're working really hard. And I've had an information where Apple is now constructing a massive manufacturing plant in India. So you will start to realize that people are going to be moving, or companies are going to be moving to India. Okay, so again, if you're thinking about investment, if you're thinking about, for example, properties, you want to do construction sort of things, so start thinking about getting your supplies from India, because now India is way cheaper than China. China has become really expensive, and it's going to move to India a lot more. The second thing that you would start seeing in 2023 is interest rate will not go up rapidly, right? It won't go up rapidly because, and now, especially in the UK, now we've kind of got a stable government. It's not like when Liz Truss came, she literally ruined the whole market. Interest rate went up ridiculously high within 4 to 6 weeks of her premiership. So that is going to change, right? So it's not going to go up rapidly, but it still go up, but it won't go as rapidly as it went during Liz Truss. And again, expect that to happen, but not drastically. And again, that gives you opportunity to kind of invest in properties as well, because obviously there will be people being worried about the interest rate that would like to start investing that time. And again, obviously, if you're brave like me, you will start your property investment journey, or you literally scale it at that time. Okay, we will get into recession, right? Maybe the second part of 2023, we may start seeing signs of recession, and you will hear a lot about the word recession, especially towards the end of 2023. You'll hear that a lot, because that is the word journalists like to kind of talk about, and there will be a dip on the property market as well, due to the fact that interest rates are going up and people are panicking now. Nobody's buying properties, so that would cause a downfall of the property. So I expect the property market to go down maybe 5 to 10%. Right, so again, that is the downside of, especially for the people who are fearful about buying properties. But again, it is the best time to invest. Here's why: it's because people are panicking, they're not buying, nobody's buying. Guess what? Property prices goes up, and then you buy at that time. It's not just that, it gives you opportunity, especially if you work with me. We buy properties during recession, not recession, whether the market goes sideways, leftways, we don't care. We still buy it. But what that brings to us also is an added benefit. We always buy properties at the way that it makes us lots of money. But if the discounts are coming in again with market price going down, it allows you to kind of make lots of return on your investment. And remember this, write it down: more millionaires are made during recession than any other time in history. So it could be you. You could be a property investor. You could be a property millionaire during this recession. So prepare yourself well and ensure that you're ready to take advantage. Remember what Warren Buffett said, right? Be greedy when people are fearful, and be fearful when people are greedy. So now people are fearful. It's about time to be greedy and literally get amazing succulent deals that will generate you amazing cash flow. right? You're going to hear a lot about, as I said, recession. Everybody will be talking about that, and companies would be laying off staff as well. There's going to be unemployment rate. The government have already forecasted that we would be losing about maybe 500,000 people losing their jobs. For me, I think it's bollocks. It will be more than that, because once people start losing their jobs, guess what? It has a ripple effect to lots of businesses. So obviously it would be more than that. If we're going with the government estimates, say 500 people, that would be equivalent to 5 Wembley stadiums, 5 fully occupied Wembley stadium. That is a scary thing to even think about. So think about it. That could be you, right? So what are you doing now to take your financial situation to the next level? Have you thought about having recurring income? Have you thought about having a side hustle? Have you thought about starting property investment, right? This is key. If you're not making money whilst you sleep, you would work until you die. Okay, if you want financial freedom, security, you need to be making money whilst you sleep, not actively making money. You're not relying on your employers. You're not relying for a job to be given to you for you to kind of make income. Imagine you get sacked or you get laid off. What is your situation? What's that going to be? If everybody's sacking people and you got sacked, guess what? It becomes a lot more harder for you to get a job. Now, the question I have for you now, are you going to wait until you get sacked before you start doing it, or are you going to be proactively doing stuff just in case you get sacked? Okay, if I were you, I will do that. I will proactively get myself ready, either doing a side hustle or maybe starting your property investment journey. Again, if you need help with that, I would leave a link on the description for you to book me a free strategy call where I would advise you on the property strategies that are out there that you could take advantage of and make you a serious return on your investment. So it's very important. So don't fall a victim in this recession. Become a victor. Take your property investment journey to the next level. Take your businesses to the next level. Take your life into the next level. Take your financial situation into your next level. Make yourself being successful your duty, obligation, and responsibility. Here's the key. Do not wait to invest in properties, right? Invest in properties and wait. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials, and then share it with friends and family, because that would help our videos to be pushed up into YouTube, so more people would be able to watch the content as well. I look forward to sharing the next episode.